Silence. Nothing. The dreaded dead Dyson. We've all been there. Your trusty V11 suddenly refuses to power on, and even worse, refuses to charge. It's like it's staging a protest against cleanliness. In many cases, this problem stems from a faulty battery. Over time, the lithium-ion battery degrades, losing its ability to hold a charge, or it can fail completely, preventing your Dyson from powering on. Sometimes it is also caused by the charger. So your Dyson V11 is completely unresponsive and won't even charge? You're likely dealing with a faulty battery, and RoboCare is here to help. At RoboCare, we're Dyson experts. Our technicians have extensive experience diagnosing and repairing Dyson vacuums. And the V11 won't charge problem is a common issue we tackle daily. We know the ins and outs of this model like the back of our hands. We carefully inspect the battery and charging circuitry. If the battery is faulty, we replace it with a genuine battery to restore the Dyson V11 to its original power and performance. We also check for any damaged charging components and replace them as needed. But don't just listen to us talk about it. We want to show you. Watch the transformation. With a new battery expertly installed by RoboCare, the Dyson V11 is back to its full cleaning power, ready to tackle any mess. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I highly recommend RoboCare to anyone having problems with their vacuum, especially if it's a Dyson. Don't waste your time struggling with DIY fixes or throwing away a perfectly good vacuum. These are great investments that should last a long time, and RoboCare helps you get the maximum amount of usage out of it.
Don't let a dead battery leave you in the dust. Contact RoboCare today. We'll handle everything.